Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing one of my favorite things that I love to do on my vehicles, so that is clean the engine bay. So stay tuned, keep watching, let's get going. So yeah, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite things that I like to do on my vehicles is clean the engine bay. One of the main reasons I like to keep my engine bays clean is because it also indicates and helps you, well, it helps you indicate if there's any leaks or any kind of coolant stains or anything like that. All you're really gonna need is a couple trash bags to protect your electricals, and either a cleaner like SuperClean here in a spray, in a aerosol, or a pump spray product. So if you want to pick up some of this stuff, you can click on the description below as well. So all I'm saying is keep your engine bay clean, and it helps you indicate issues quicker than if it was dirty. So let's get to it. Super simple. Let's put our plastics bags over our electronic components that we don't want to get water on. If you feel that this is something that you don't want to cover yourself, that's all right. Hire a professional to do this. Reach out to your local detailers or anybody that specializes in cleaning engine bays. I know not everybody does it, but if you don't feel safe, go ahead and reach out to a professional. Or in this case, like myself, I like doing it myself. If something does go wrong, then it's all on me. So take this video as how I do it, not how you should do it. So be safe, protect your stuff, and yeah, seek out professional help if you can't, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. So let's get to it. Last thing, you need a little brush, detail brush. You could pick these up on my description below as well. First thing I'd like to do is put in my hose on the mist section, so it just kind of sprays the engine bay and it doesn't really hit it really hard. We don't need that just yet. So I'm going to pre-soak it, and then we're going to use the product. Now that we did that, we're going to go either ahead and use our aerosol spray or the pump. I like to use the pump one in this case, but this sprays a lot easier. So let's just go ahead and use the aerosol spray here. Let it soak up for a little bit, and then this is where we'll get our detailing brush and scrub it. Try not to spray the degreaser on your body. So if you want to protect your paint, you can cover it up and just spray the inside. Just be careful. You can see my engine is already been cleaned, so we don't get too much gunk, but we just want to keep maintaining it so that, again, we're able to see it for any future leaks or leaks themselves, or if there is any current leaks. We're going to go ahead and use our detailing brush to scrub the surface. Now that we did that, now we're going to go ahead and respray our engine bay with just water. We're going to blow dry the whole engine bay compartment. Wipe down your vehicle. I like adding a plastic and rubber protector. This is not the one I use, so I won't be showing you guys this, but I'll put a link on the below, the one I really like to use over the whole engine bay. This one I'm just going to wipe it, spray it on my towel and just kind of go over the black stuff to give it a protection and a shine. So there you guys have it, how to clean your engine bay. In this case, my 100 series Land Cruiser, utilizing SuperClean's Degreaser sprays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something simple, something just to, you know, extra that if you wanted to do on your vehicles. Again, if you don't feel comfortable wetting your cars because of the electronics, I totally get it. I totally understand. Seek out a professional detailer that works on engine detailing, and benefits of that is, you know, showing or seeing if there's any coolant leaks, any oil leaks, or any other kind of leaks in the vehicle. You also want to do that with the undercarriage as well, maybe once a year, depending if, in this case, you would off-road your vehicle like my Land Cruiser. But if you have a street car, you probably want to do it maybe once every year or every so often. But in this case, my Land Cruiser, I would probably want to do it every 6 months, just to keep my vehicle maintained and the maintenance of any leaks and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit a subscribe if you want to pick up some of the products I use. Click on the description below on my Amazon store. Appreciate the support. Keep watching. Appreciate it. Hit a subscribe. One more thing, you could you could let it sit because there's probably water in some other areas. Another thing that I like to do is I like to run the truck or the vehicle for, you know, a good 5 to 10 minutes. You know, use the heat of the engine to kind of remove all the excess water in those little areas that we didn't blow dry. So yeah, or you could drive it around as well. So thank you guys for watching.